We are back with another episode, ladies and gentlemen. On today's episode, we're going to be showing you to do a service, and we're going to show you how to set the car up and the steps by steps that we do when setting our car up. You're going to know what springs I've got on the car, what clicks I've got on the car, what pressures I'm going to try run, the crossweight, everything we're going to show you in detail. So stick around, let's go. So what we're doing is running the engine up, getting the oil nice and warm so it flows out nice and easy when we undo the sump bung. Wrongs are reversed.
I'm probably doing it wrong as well, you know.
Probably are.
And your fucking eyes are probably on.
Was it 13?
No, leave that. We'll put the filter on first.
No.
Yes.
Don't fucking tell me how to do a service. You don't put the filter on. Drain it.
I tell you what. Don't tell me. I'm fucking Google. I'm Ginger. Ginger Google.
You got a long enough extension?
Fucking hell, Brad.
Right.
That was loose.
No, it won't.
Yes, it was.
Was it?
Yep. I'm not joking. I'm not on this.
I hope it fucking spits at you.
There you go. Oh!
You fucking knob.
It's going everywhere.
I can't see.
Oh, fuck.
Is it?
No.
I feel like it's leaking on my butt.
Is it?
Do you don't think I'll throw this on you?
Fucking thick cunt. Fuck off.
I'm not meaning it.
No. Tell you. If you were younger, I'd get fucking done at child services. What if you can get done for doing that to your pensioner? Get the fuck, do it again, I'm going in. You're fucking pissing me off. Right, fuck you. Right, pack it in now, because I don't want to get it in my eye.
Close your eyes.
Fucking have a fag bursting out flames.
Now the filter has been changed and the oil has been dropped, we're putting the fresh oil in. A good tip here is when you put your oil in and you run it up and it's where you want it, only fill it quarter of the way on your dipstick because it creates less drag on the engine. It's a little tip for you all. Now the oil filter has been filled up, we need to add a little bit more, but we're only adding a little bit, making sure that we are on that quarter on the stick. Good. So I've just took the old plugs out, putting the new plugs in, and it's good just to make sure that you hear when you push them in that they click. So you've got that good contact, otherwise when you start it up, it's going to run rough and you know it's one of your leads. So just make sure you hear that click.
Yeah.
Why has it got a shit feel on the side? It's all gritty or something. What? What?
You didn't see it fall out, did you?
Nothing. There's nothing there.
There is. Walk over there. Keep walking. Turn left. Walk forward. No, walk towards the grass. Keep walking. See it.
What is that? What the fuck is that? Oh, what's that? What is that?
One of the dog treats that's been in your coffee soaking away.
That's fucking mean.
You go to the couch, just lie there and lick your balls.
That's fucking grim. That actually make me feel sick now.
Does it? Oh, it's lovely and mushy. You wait till you lie on the couch, lick your balls, and you'll fall off. gave you a treat. You've done a good job. Well done, boy. Right. We need to explain who Layla Rose is. Mr. Trevor Smith.
Look at the camera. Stand in front of it and like present.
Hi.
There you
Welcome
go.
to Robbie's Garage. Press it. Fuck, will you stop?
Hurry up, man.
Right. Mr. Trevor Smith, who won the
Rivet competition.
rivet competition, we let him know that he won, and he asked if he could put his granddaughter, who's 13, her name's Layla Rose Scarlett. She's 13 years old from Lowestoft. So he asked if he could put her name on the car instead of his name. So
You got
Layla
shit
Rose.
on the end, you know.
Have I got shit on this?
Yeah.
I've got shit in front of me.
Carry
that's
on,
for
carry
sure.
on.
Fucking ginger shit. So there you go, Layla Rose. Your name's going on the car because your granddad asked if we'll put your name on instead of his name. Layla Rose. Look at that. Layla Rose. Want to put the name on the car? You're fucking going to lamp you. Oh, aye, that's great. Oh, aye, we can all see that underneath there at an angle. Hope you roll over and we can fucking read it. Stick it underneath. Aye, that's ideal. Drive.
It'll be fucking shit weather, and all I've done today is keep chopping trees like a bastard.
All right.
Follow me.
Why don't you just take it off the top?
Because I feel like it'll be easier to get that bolt out than it will. Because this bolt is all one.
Oh, right,
so trying
okay.
to pull that out would be under tension. We move on to scaling the car now. When scaling your car, make sure all your dive bars are disconnected front and back. Your tyre pressures are set to what you want them at. Make sure if you're doing it on your own, you have the weight of you in the car. So stand on the scales and just add stuff in to add the weight.
So, across the front, you've got 250 and 225s on the back, innit? Spring
Yeah,
wise.
250s, 225.
Alright.
So now I'm disconnecting the dive bars. Make sure that you turn all your shocks off as well. Your tyre pressures are set to what you want them as if you're going to be racing on the track.
You're not doing the other side?
No, you only disconnect one side.
I've just disconnected a lot.
It's disconnected. Well, there's no tension on this one though. Because that's under no tension. They work against each other.
Yeah, but...
That's what a dive bar is.
Yeah, I know that, but what I'm saying is, on that side,
Yeah.
it's still pushing up against the onboard rocker.
No, because that'd move to where the weight
Alright,
is
we'll do
set.
it your way. We'll do it your way. Right, do you want to put fuel in it?
I think it's nearly full anyway. I think
it?
we put like 6 litres in it.
Right, at the moment you're at 1508 pounds.
For someone that's slow at writing, yeah, he's writing the whole fucking thing out.
684. Yeah, well,
What did you write?
I says, what is...
What is 1508 pounds,
Pounds?
not LBS, pounds? Did you write kilograms as
No,
well?
I just put kgs.
Fucking helmet.
So it's come out as 60...
Quite heavy then.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, what should
I
it
think
be?
I think the minimum is 660 and the max is 750.
Well, you're only 20
No,
kilos
last
over.
time we weighed it, it was like 670 or 674 or something. So how have we put fucking 12 kilo in the car? So clicks. You got your little arrow graph thing.
Yeah, I've done all that.
Right. So left front.
Are you gonna say what they are on camera?
8. Fucking talk to me whilst I'm doing it. People want to run the same as me and they're quicker.
Right, you turn them off then.
That's off. So that's 8 clicks.
That was the right front, yeah. Oh, it's your right, innit?
8. You're pissing me off. Stop fucking talking to me, you knobhead. Left rear.
That's that side. 7.
8. Are they fucking 8 all round? 9.
Right, so do your tyre pressures.
So right now, we're guessing with these tyres, aren't we?
Yeah.
But we'll just run, I reckon, about 24 in that one.
How is that?
Yeah. 18, because it's still going to be cold. Got 18, 20,
Yeah, okay.
18, 19, 20, 24.
It's up to you. Shoot.
21.
I know fuck all about these tyres.
18, me neither.
They're black and round. Yeah, but you've been asking people about them.
18, 20, 21, 24.
And then this rear on the right is 24, you said. And then 21 up here. Oh look, the rain stopped, seeing I'm not fucking standing outside.
So now we're all set. I'll get myself in the car and we'll start seeing what all the weights are across the car in each corner and crossway, etc.
Right,
Rather put it in gear than the brakes because none of the brakes work.
right, so your cross weight now is 51.5. On the front now, because you've balanced it out a bit, you're now £1 heavier on that side, because it's 396 over there and 395 over here, yeah? And over there, you're at 510, and over here, you're at 456. So let me just, I'll tell you what, we'll write these down.
And that, to be fair, we want the rear to stay sort of like that, don't we? But you probably want a little bit more weight on the inside front. But then that's going to fuck up. That's going to take weight off the outside rear. Which...
well, no, because all you'll do is adjust this one to put more weight on it that side.
yeah.
So just, if you want to play about with that, with your turns, yeah?
Yeah, but what I'm saying is that will take weight off of that if putting it there. Do you know what I mean? Which, we want that to be where it is because this inside rear is nearly £50 heavier.
We used to always say £50
Yeah.
would be, you know, in the super
Yeah.
roads.
Yeah, no, so I'm saying the back is fine as is, but that £1 difference on the front, I'd like that to be a little bit more.
Take that platform down on that one,
Yeah.
yeah? Count the turns, and then we'll see where it comes back at. So really, what you after to get over there?
It's like 10, 20.
What, pounds?
Yeah. Well, just a little bit more than just bang on even.
Other way.
No, that's clockwise, you dick.
It's not.
It is.
Listen, when you're looking at it, you go that way, that's clockwise.
Yeah. So I'm going that way.
I was going that way in the first place, you went, no, go the
That's
other way.
anti-clockwise. That's the
I
way
know
you
what
want to go.
anti-clockwise is.
As if we're arguing about this, you fucking...
Fannies are us.
Do you know when you said you wanted a GoFundMe page? I think I need one fucking dealing with them.
You're not meant to say that.
But you don't say that.
When the fuck did we get ice cream?
Just go one.
Oh, don't forget the steering wheel. Do you want me to go and get your helmet? Your fucking helmet. Right. Call out what side you want to know about. Because that's the old picture you're looking at.
Near side front,
Near side front. What were you on?
396.
396. You're now at 407. So you went up £9 on that one with one turn. Yeah?
Right. And then outside front, 395.
That's come up to that's went down to 384. So that's went down £11.
Right.
So right rear.
456.
Oh, sorry, hang on. Oh, did you say right rear? What was the right rear?
Right rear is 456. It's at 466 now. So it's went up 5.
Right.
10.
Right, hang on. You need to stop, right? Because every time I turn around, I'm going this fucking left, right. So,
The car's not moving, is it?
so what was that one over there, Brad? The left rear.
510.
Left rear was what?
510.
Right. So now it's at 499, fluctuating to 500. So that's went between £10 and £11. Yeah. And this one here, the right rear, was what?
456.
And that's at 466. So that's went up £20. So now you have got more weight on that corner over there, because on the rear now you've got near enough 55%, and on the front you've got 51.5%.
Yeah, and the cross is like 50.2.
50.28, yeah?
Yeah.
So your car's nearly 50, perfect. 50-50.
Well, left weight, we've got 51.59%.
Yeah.
So we've got more weight to the left, which is what we want. I reckon leave as is.
Leave it as it is.
Yeah, that's quite good.
You're happy with that?
Yeah.
Everyone
It's all within
everyone
50.
in fucking YouTube world, Bradley says he's happy.
Yeah, it's all within £50 of each other,
Yeah.
so...
That's what I'm saying. As long as
Quite
you
good.
keep within £50 of each other, that's what I used to work it out at. And you're at 17, 56, 57. It keeps fluctuating.
Now you need the dive buzz.
Must be great having all the facilities to do all this.
Oh, it's gonna fucking take ages to like have to blur. Ready, steady.
My fucking Tinder page is going to go through the fucking roof. Do. Before we do anything else, do your shockers.
Yeah.
All
9.
8s. Apart from that, that was 9.
Now the setup's all done. The only thing left to do is the tracking.
Let's go to the front.
Uh-huh.
Oh, sorry.
Get the fucking thing in. Yeah.
That's nearly 30 mil.
When we were adjusting the tracking, we did notice that one of the bolts going into the steering rack was loose, which is knocking our tracking right out. We kept having this problem, but now we've found it. And every time you adjust your tracking, push the car back, shake it, and then measure again.
That's 96. 1696. So it's towing out now, 2 mil.
And they'll lock it in. That is all we have time for on today's episode, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next week.